So children, now let us write the PQs from block 10. So first one is state true or false. So if whatever you are reading is there from the leisure poem, then you can write true. If it is not there in the poem, you can write false. So basing on that, complete your first question. Now second one, which lines from the poem mean that we are so busy in our lives that we have no time to stand and look at the things around us? So basing on the context given, which lines from the poem, you just pick that lines which tells that you are so busy and we don't have the time to stand and look at the things around us. Now coming to third question, write the things that the poet wants you to do to have a good life. So for having a good life, what we want to do? So according to the author's perspective, what author is telling. So basing on the leisure poem, write the things the poet wants us to do for a good life. Now coming to fourth one, identify and write the rhyming words in the poem. So what are the rhyming words? Already we know what are rhyming words. So try to collect the rhyming words from the poem and write in your notebook. Now fifth one is, nature is described as a beautiful dancer in the poem. What movements in nature might suggest that it is dancing? So how come you say that nature is dancing? An example is given, the swaying of trees. While the trees are moving, if you observe, it means that they are dancing. So like that, what can you see and you think that the nature is dancing? Can you find anything from the nature that is dancing like the trees? So think, try to imagine and complete your answer. Write a poem about the things you like to do in your free time. So already we did it in our volume, but still you try to write a poem on that, what you like to do in your free time. Now seventh one, what do the following lines mean? So they had given two lines. Read them and just write what they mean. Does the poet really want us to know the place where squirrels hide their nuts? Really, is it required to know where the squirrels are hiding? Then why did he say this? What does he mean by these sentences? So basing on that, you write your notes and complete the PQs from 10th block.